Wameelezea kuwa marehemu Jirongo atazikwa kwa kufuata taratibu na mila za kitamaduni za jamii ya Tiriki kulingana na matakwa ya familia na jamii. Mwili huo utasafirishwa hapo kesho kuelekea Lumakanda.
None other than the president himself, who was a close friend of Cyrus, to have pronounced himself on this incident. He has not up to now said anything about the circumstances surrounding the death of Cyrus Jirongo.
We are not going to leave it lying. And that's why people are mentioning of torch. People are threatened by torch. Just a simple torch. People cannot even appear here because they are fearing the torch. And we are going to carry those torches, or not just one.
What we are urging is complete and thorough investigations so that we can get closure. Just to know the exact timeline from where he was last and how he ended up where he was involved in that accident.
Mheshimiwa Mwendazake Jirongo is a national leader, na sisi wengi wale ambao tumekuja nyuma, amekuwa kiongozi wetu mkubwa sana kwa siasa.